We all have that circle of people we hang around with, being it co-workers or just friends, which sometimes include the wrong people. You only realize when it's already too late. Here are 4 types of people you should not trust, the guide to self-improvement. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, be it personal or professional. In our journey through life, we encounter a myriad of individuals, each with their own unique qualities and characteristics. While trust is a crucial element in building meaningful connections, it's equally important to exercise caution and discernment. In this video, we will explore 4 types of people you should avoid trusting to enhance your self-improvement and personal development journey. 1. The chronic deceiver. One of the most detrimental types of individuals to trust is the chronic deceiver. These individuals have a habit of distorting the truth and manipulating facts to suit their agenda. Whether in personal relationships or professional settings, chronic deceivers can cause irreparable damage by undermining trust and sowing seeds of doubt. Be wary of those who consistently fail to uphold their promises, provide inconsistent information, or display a pattern of dishonesty. Cultivating a keen sense of discernment will help protect you from falling victim to their web of deception. 2. The energy vampire. In the realm of personal development, surrounding yourself with positive influences is essential. The energy vampire, however, thrives on negativity and constantly drains the energy and enthusiasm of those around them. These individuals tend to focus on problems rather than solutions, complain incessantly, and spread a pervasive sense of pessimism. Trusting an energy vampire can hinder your self-improvement journey by impeding your ability to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Recognize these individuals early on and limit your interactions to safeguard your mental and emotional well-being. 3. The opportunistic manipulator. In a world where collaboration and teamwork are highly valued, it's crucial to be wary of opportunistic manipulators. These individuals may feign friendship or cooperation, but their underlying motives are driven by personal gain at the expense of others. Trusting an opportunistic manipulator can lead to exploitation, as they seek to leverage relationships for their own benefit. Developing a discerning eye for recognizing genuine intentions versus hidden agendas will help you navigate relationships wisely and protect your interests. 4. The constantly negative critic. Constructive criticism is an integral part of personal growth, but the constantly negative critic takes criticism to an unhealthy extreme. These individuals habitually focus on finding fault, belittling others, and expressing disapproval without offering any constructive feedback. Trusting someone who is always critical can be detrimental to your self-esteem and hinder your self-improvement efforts. Surround yourself with individuals who provide balanced feedback and support, fostering an environment conducive to growth rather than stifling it. Conclusion. In the journey of self-improvement and personal development, the company we keep plays a pivotal role. Being discerning about whom to trust is a crucial aspect of safeguarding our well-being and progress. By avoiding chronic deceivers, energy vampires, opportunistic manipulators, and constantly negative critics, we pave the way for healthier relationships and a more positive, growth-oriented life. Embrace the power of discernment, and you'll find yourself on a path to personal development that is both fulfilling and rewarding. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for more personal development insights.